Hi, I'm Gary Choo, and I specialize in wedding photography. So, I regularly work with couples to capture wonderful and special moments on their big day. I enjoy shooting weddings because each shot captures a couple's love and story. Each moment will only happen once, and making every shot magical is my goal. A picture is worth 1,000 words. It tells the story of how your wedding days was like, how your relatives and friends jump with happiness or cry with tears of joy. Most of my wedding couples and their guests are camera shy, especially when the camera is pointed directly at them. So, preparation is key. I usually arrive at the location early to plan my shoot and make sure that 4 to 5 off-camera flashlights are set up. I will also always stand by a zoom lens with me so that I'm prepared to capture those natural, precious and beautiful moments. Some of the challenges that wedding photographers like myself usually face is getting the right camera setting, lighting, angle, composition or moment at a live event. And the challenges do not just end there. After the shoot, we move into the post-processing phase. All wedding couples want their photos to look perfect. They also regularly request for high resolution and high quality images, as couples will often like to enlarge their wedding photos and frame them up at home. This is where Seagate and Synology really comes in handy for my work. With ample storage capacity, I can capture as many shots as I like to make sure none of their precious moments are missed. Ever since I started using Synology NAS system, I no longer need to burn the photos into disk or pen drive. My clients can select the photos for edit and download the final images remotely. Moreover, with the expandable capacity, I can keep past wedding photos and access them anytime. With a trusted storage solutions partner, I can concentrate on capturing the perfect shot for my wedding clients with no worries at all, especially since there are no room for reshoot in wedding shots. Submit your entry in Seagate Perfect Shot Photo Contest today.